Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today our topic is measuring instruments. Measuring instruments are used to measure various physical quantities such as length, time, volume, mass. First we have to discuss meter rule. A meter rule is 1 meter long graduated stick. It is usually used to measure length of an object or the distance between 2 points. A meter rule is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1 centimeter. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 millimeters. Thus, a meter rule can measure the length of an object correct up to 1 millimeter. Let us suppose this is 1 meter long meter rule. It is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter from 0 to 100. Each centimeter is the distance between this point and this point is equal to 1 centimeter. You can see that each centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts, and each small unit is equal to 1 millimeter, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. While measuring the length or distance between 2 points, eye must be kept vertically above the reading. Just student, you can see this is a meter rule and this is the object whose length we have to measure. Its length is 2.7 centimeter, and in order to measure its correct length we have to keep our eye vertically above the object. Then we can take the correct reading. If the eye is positioned either left or right to the measuring point, the reading becomes doubtful. This is the object whose length we have to measure, and if we keep our eye vertically above the object, then we can see that its length is 2.7 centimeter. If we keep our eye left or right to this object, then the reading is different. Reading will be 2.5 centimeter if we keep our eye right to the object, and if we keep our eye left to the object, its reading will become 2.9 centimeter. Wrong positioning of the eye will give incorrect reading. Such an error due to the wrong positioning of the eye is called parallax error. It is better to measure from 1 centimeter mark of the meter rule or measuring tape and then subtract 1 centimeter from the final reading. This is because of the wears and tears of zero edge of the scale. Students, our next topic is measuring cylinder. A measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of a liquid. It is made up of glass or transparent plastic. It has a scale in millimeter or cubic centimeter along its length. That's why it is also called graduated cylinder. Measuring cylinder of different capacities are available in the school laboratories. They range from 5 ml to 500 ml. To measure the correct volume of a liquid, cylinder must be kept on horizontal surface and eye should be kept at the level of the bottom of the meniscus. But when we put a liquid in the cylindrical container, it forms a meniscus with the walls of the container, and meniscus of all the liquid is curved downward like this. But the meniscus of mercury is curved upward when they are put in a cylindrical container. 1 cubic decimeter is equal to 1 liter and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter, because 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. Next, there is question: convert the following into decimeter cube. Number 1, 5 meter cube. 5 meter cube will be equal to 5000 decimeter cube. Number 2, 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to how many decimeter cube? 1000 cubic centimeter will be equal to 1 cubic decimeter. Thank you.